Hello, it's Ukulele Saz and welcome back to another tutorial. This time we're doing David Bowie, Rebel Rebel, a fantastic song with lots of little techniques and tips and tricks that can help you improve in so many areas. My name's Ukulele Saz. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do really like this video, don't forget to check out my friend's tutorial, which is in the same key with the same chords. And also there'll be another tutorial as well, which is Someday by The Strokes. That's coming your way very soon and is also in the same key. So these are 3 good songs that you can learn all together with the same set of chords, just to push you out your comfort zone a little bit. So what we're going to cover in this song is the D to E chord change, which a lot of people really dislike, that E chord. However, I would like to make this as easy as possible for you. There's a really iconic riff in this song, which is also awesome, and I'm going to show you a little technique to be able to play that nice and smoothly as well. And then the other thing, which is really fun in this song, is the strumming, because there's a slight little twist in this strumming pattern, but it totally changes how the song sounds as well. So I hope you enjoy. The chords that we need in this song are D, but we're going to play D using these 3 fingers. Normally we'll use these 3 here, which is fine, but this will make sense in a minute. And if you've seen the Friends tutorial, you'll know what I'm about to explain next. The D chord, we're going to use these 3 fingers. Still sounds exactly the same. And that's because for most of this song, we change from D to E to D to E to D to E. Talk about muscle memory and talk about repetition. This song will cater to all of that and really help you improve on this change from D to E. So we've got our D position. We are just going to slide those fingers up to the 4th fret because we've got D, D sharp, E. Now you've got 2 options here. You can either bring your pointy finger down here, or you can use the very bottom of your finger just to touch down on that string. And it's a good idea just to pick each string individually as well. That might help you also. Now, the good thing is you don't really need to practice this chord change on its own out with the song, because most of the song uses the D to E chord change, and the riff is based around that as well, which we'll come to shortly after. So for example, you're going to play 4 strums of D and 4 strums of E. So you've got your mother in a world she's not sure if you're a boy or a girl. Hey babe, your hair's alright. Hey babe, let's go out tonight. And that's the chord change for pretty much most of the song. The only part where that starts to change is the pre-chorus. So for the pre-chorus, things are slightly different. We're going to play A. They say I'm wrong. Now, we then change to B minor. So for B minor, you bar the full 2nd fret and add your ring finger to the very top string, the G string, on the 4th fret. If that's too tricky for you, there's 2 stepping stones that you can do. In fact, there's one slight cheat. The cheat is to do the D chord, but add your pinky to create a B minor 7. I say cheat, but if the bar chord is really something that you struggle with for specific medical reasons and things, then please do this and it will work fine. Alternatively, really try and push yourself out of your comfort bubble and just practice that clamp movement and hold the B minor in place, the B minor 7. When that starts to change comfortably, you can add this ring finger for the B minor. So B minor 7, B minor. Hardly any difference at all apart from this one note. Slightly different. So the chord progression for the pre-chorus, you've got A, D, B minor, and then E. Now, 2 ways to change to this. If you're doing B minor here with the bar chord, well done. You're just going to change and bring these fingers here. This will not happen overnight, and this is something you really want to just spend time practicing. If you're doing it this way, then you can here. Kind of like the D chord, but you have to bring everything up and across. So try and experiment, do it in different ways, but definitely my challenge to you is to challenge yourself with at least one of these chords. Stick with it for a little while, lots of repetition, and I guarantee you that you will notice a massive difference. So apart from the pre-chorus of the song, everything else is D, E, D, E, D, E. So you can really practice that movement. So what's really cool about the melody and the strumming pattern of this song is how cohesive they are. And what I mean by that is when we strum and when we pick our notes, we are going to be doing that at the exact same time. So when you play this in a group and you've got one person doing the riff and one person doing the strumming, this sounds really, really cool because it just works together. You can hear the melody nice and clear, and then the chords support that and layer that up really, really nicely. So we all know the riff of the song. And that's exactly how we're going to strum that. The strumming should sound like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. If I was to say that in the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, and 4, and. So it's spread across 2 bars, 2 counts of 4. Now something to notice is that normally, or a lot of the time in music when you change chord, it's on the first beat of the bar. However, in this song, we actually change to the E chord on the 4 and, just before beat 1. So we would play 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So that would be your next step to practice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then and 3, and 4, and. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, and 4, and. A lot of the time as well, the and strums are our up strums and the number is the down. So if you notice, down, 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 up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, and 4, and down, 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 up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, and 4, and. This will take some time. If you find it quite difficult to combine the chord changes with the strumming, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, and 4, and. Do it on one chord only. It will sound strange and it won't sound exactly like the song, but stick with it and I guarantee you it will come. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, and 4, and down, 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 up, down, up. Just like that. So that's the strumming pattern. The next thing that we're going to look at now is that lovely little melody riff. So the first thing on the first beat, we don't play, so it's pause. So it's 1, beat 1, and then we play 7, 5, 4, 2. So it's pause, 7, 5, 4, 2, again 3, and pause, 7, 5, 4, 2, one more time, and pause, 7, 5, 4, 2. So for the second part, we've got 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, oh. 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, oh. And notice how nicely, snugly my pointy finger and my ring finger are just already hovering over their fret. This is what you want to train your fingers to do, to gradually move up and down the fretboard and have a nice corresponding fret that they play to. So that second part, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 0. 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 0. And if we put that all together, we're going pause, 7, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 0. 7, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 0. 7, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 0. notes that we play are pause, E, D, C sharp, B, pause for a second there, B, C sharp, B, F sharp, sorry that's not F sharp, that's G sharp, F sharp, and E. All of those notes belong to the scale. You could also play that throughout the song as well, so pause. Just like that. So, slow and steady, break it into chunks as usual. That's a lot of different things to practice in the song. We've got the chords and the D to E chord change. We have our fun strumming pattern where we change on the 4 and. What we've also got is the picking and the riff. So lots of different elements to work on. And when you've got all those sounding lovely, you've got lots of different tools to play around with for this song that is very, very repetitive and it sounds awesome. Okay, so now we're going to do our play along. We're going to play the intro, we're going to play the verse, we are going to play the bridge with down, down, up strumming, and then we're going to play the chorus and finish with a little intro again. So let's go for it. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and pause. I hope you enjoyed that play along, I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope you learned something from this and are able to apply that to other things in your ukulele journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a little like, please let me know in the comments below. And if you really liked this video and would like to check out all of the song sheets and theory sheets, then you can join the Tab Shack on my Buy Me a Coffee page for just £3 a month, where you'll get access to all of the teacher tips, theory sheets, and any other little nuggets of knowledge along the way as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out Ukulele Saz for all of these things and my social media, and I will see you next week for a brand new video. Thanks so much for watching.